Have you ever spent hours crafting the perfect video only to feel like it's lost in the digital wilderness? Trust me, you're really not alone. But today we're going to start changing that. I'm going to share with you how you can get your video seen by your dream audience just by using a few smart SEO strategies. SEO, or search engine optimization, is really just a fancy way of making sure your content gets seen by the right people. Think of it like putting up a massive bright sign that tells the search engines what your video is all about. Without SEO, it's like having an incredible store in the middle of nowhere. No one knows to stop there. But with the right strategies, you can make sure your videos pop up when people are searching for exactly what you're offering. That's why understanding SEO is so crucial for anyone creating video content. It helps you reach your audience and make sure all of your hard work pays off. Now, I know SEO may sound a little bit intimidating, right? But trust me, once you crack this, you can open up a whole new world of opportunities for your videos. There's a proven system to it, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. I'm Jeremy, it's lovely to meet you, and for over 26 years I've been behind the camera for some of the biggest moments in UK broadcast TV, but more importantly, I've spent years mastering the art of getting video content seen by the people who need it most. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. For the past 5 years, I've really geeked out when it comes to online marketing and optimizing content, including things like video SEO. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to optimize your videos for SEO and ensure that they reach a broader audience. By the end, you're going to know how to use YouTube SEO, keywords, and even thumbnails to get your content in front of the right audience for you. So without further ado, let's take your video SEO to the next level. I remember early on posting a video I thought would be massive, amazing content, really solid value, but ultimately, I launched it, it sat there gathering digital dust. It wasn't until I cracked the code of SEO that things started to turn around. Think of SEO like planting seeds. You've got to give them the right conditions to grow. Things like keywords, video titles, and descriptions are the sunlight and water that your video needs to thrive. Once you understand how to optimize for search, you'll find not only does your video rank higher, but also it starts reaching the right people, and that's where the magic happens. So let's break down how to optimize your videos for SEO. Firstly, you've got keyword research. You need to know what people are searching for. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can help you find the right keywords. But remember, it all starts with knowing your audience and understanding fundamentally what they need, what they struggle with, and how they talk about those problems. This is where the work you did in the understanding your audience video, creating those customer avatars, really pays off. Think about what your audience is typing into YouTube. What are they searching for when they're looking for solutions? That's what your video title, your tags, and your description all need to reflect. Then you've got the description. Now, your description is prime real estate. You want to make it natural, but also you want to make sure that it's seeded with the right keywords. You should also include a call to action, like asking people to subscribe or check out your website or whatever it is. Keep it conversational. You're talking to real people, not search engine algorithms. And thumbnails. Let's talk about thumbnails. People are visual creatures. A bright, clear, and clickable thumbnail makes all the difference. If your thumbnail doesn't work, no one's even going to click to see your video or even read the title. It's that important. Here are 3 actionable tips for creating great thumbnails. Number 1, use bold, easy to read text that stands out. 2, make sure the image is high quality and simple. Do not overcrowd your thumbnail. 3, use expressive faces or clear visuals that represent what your video is about. And if you're comfortable, use your own camera to capture custom images for your thumbnails. It adds a personal touch that stock images just can't replicate. And remember, keep it simple and always optimize for mobile phones, because ultimately most people will see your thumbnail on their phone. So make sure it looks great even if it's on a small screen. So why does this matter? If your videos don't include the right keywords, YouTube's algorithm, for example, won't know what to do with it, and neither will your audience. Let's say you're doing a video about small business marketing tips. If you title it something vague like My Marketing Journey, it's just not going to reach the right people. Instead, use something like 5 essential marketing tips for small business owners. Do you see the difference? Remember, SEO isn't about gaming the system. It's about being relevant and helpful. If your content is good and your keywords match what people are searching for, it's all good. It's okay to feel a bit overwhelmed at first. SEO can feel a little bit technical, but once you get the hang of it, it generally does become second nature. So now you've optimized your content, the next step is making the most of it by repurposing across different platforms. Why stop at YouTube when your video can shine on LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram too? Repurposing your content multiplies its value, saves you time and gets your message in front of even more people, and we're going to dive into that next. Let me know in the comments which platforms you currently sharing your videos on. I'd love to know. All right, folks, so today we've tackled YouTube SEO, keyword research, and making sure your thumbnails get clicks. All these strategies are going to help your videos find their audience. And here's what I'd love for you to do next. Firstly, research your main keyword for your next video. Secondly, optimize your title and description around that keyword. And thirdly, very importantly, create an eye-catching, scroll-stopping thumbnail that tells your audience exactly what they're going to get. If you found this video helpful, please give it a little cheeky thumbs up and a subscribe. And don't forget, we're in this together and I cannot wait to see what you create. So definitely don't miss the next video where we're going to cover all about how to repurpose your videos across different platforms to really maximize your reach. See you over there soon.